Hey everyone, with its most recent revelations made at the second Galaxy Unpacked presentation in Paris, Samsung has once again caused a stir in the tech community. A number of innovative goods were highlighted, such as the much-awaited Galaxy Watch 7 series, the Z Fold 6 and Z Flip 6 smartphones, and the Galaxy Buds 3 series. The Galaxy Watch 7 and the Galaxy Watch Ultra are the two different devices in the Galaxy Watch 7 series. The purpose of the Galaxy Watch 7 is to give people a comprehensive picture of their fitness and health. This watch's cutting-edge features are intended to improve your way of life, fitness tracking and exercise scheduling. With the Galaxy Watch 7, customers may keep track of more than 100 distinct workouts. It provides thorough fitness tracking, making it possible to plan out precise workouts, including warm-up and cool-down periods. Users who want to stay motivated and reach their exercise objectives can also consult past performance data. High-tech AI for sleep analysis. The watch has advanced artificial intelligence algorithms that analyze sleep to provide insights into user behaviors. Among its notable features is the FDA-approved de novo sleep apnea tool, which offers a proactive approach to identifying possible sleep apnea symptoms. Comprehensive health tracking. The Galaxy Watch 7 has a plethora of capabilities for tracking health, such as heart rate tracking with notifications, electrocardiogram, or ECG, measurement of body composition, tracking of the menstrual cycle, fall detection, productivity and energy score. With the aid of Galaxy AI, users can better understand their productivity levels and plan their work with greater efficiency, thanks to the new energy score feature. To further increase efficiency, the voice-to-text feature may also provide summaries instantaneously. There are two connectivity choices available for the Galaxy Watch 7, LTE and Bluetooth. The LTE version comes with a 44mm dial, while the 40mm and 44mm dimensions are available for the Bluetooth version. The Galaxy Watch 7 comes in Cloud White, Phantom Silver, and Youngling Green as color options. The Galaxy Watch 7 has a new 3nm pentacore processor that offers better performance and power efficiency. Samsung BioActive biosensors and Galaxy AI improve the watch. With its 13 liters ED lights, the BioActive biosensor guarantees precise tracking of health information, including heart rate and sleep patterns. For accurate location tracking, the watch also supports dual-frequency GPS. The dimension of the watch affects the battery capacity. Longer usage periods are guaranteed by the bigger 425 mAh battery in the 44mm variation, compared to the smaller 300 mAh battery in the 40mm form. Samsung's official website is currently offering pre-orders for the upcoming Galaxy Watch 7 series. These innovative timepieces are offered in a range of dimensions and styles to suit diverse requirements and tastes. The following lists the costs for every version. The 40mm Bluetooth version costs $299. The 44mm Bluetooth version costs $329. The cost of the 40mm liters TE version is $349, and the 44mm liters TE version costs $369. With its robust new CPU, extensive AI capabilities, and sophisticated health and fitness tracking features, the Galaxy Watch 7 is expected to be an invaluable tool for anybody seeking to understand their productivity and health on a deeper level. The new models highlight Samsung's dedication to wearable technology innovation and quality, along with the other interesting products introduced at Galaxy Unpacked. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions, I'll be waiting for them in the comments. Have a nice day and God bless you.